This is how to deploy Express app on Vercel. From your dashboard, go to Add New, select Project, then choose whether you'll deploy your Express app on your GitHub or you can browse templates. So we will browse all, then scroll down. You can see here list of templates. So just search Express. So these are the available. We'll use express.js. So this is a simple express.js plus a Vercel. So we will just click deploy. Choose your get scope and name your repository and click create. Then you have just deployed your express.js app. You can now add a domain and enable insights. So we will continue to dashboard. Then you can view your Express.js app by going to this link, or you can also add your own custom domain. Then if you want to edit your app, so the files are located on your repository. So this is how to deploy Express.js app on Vercel.